This is an overview of the DKC01.3-200-7-FW drive manufactured by Bosch, Rexroth, Indramat. These are among the most well-known servo drives used for either general-purpose automation or for machine tool applications. These drives are a part of the EcoDrive 03 automation system, which enables users to fluidly and effectively control a wide variety of products because of extensive integral functionalities and a highly favorable price-to-performance ratio. The most common uses for these drives are in handling systems, printing and packing operations, food processing environments, and assembly lines. This specific drive I have here in front of me is a DKC01.3-200. The -200 is the largest drive of the DKC family. The 01.3 means it has analog stepper parallel interface. Next to the option card, which is the 01.3 found here, is the encoder. Encoders are usually approximately 2 inches long by 1.5 inches wide. They're usually white or silverish boxes screwed in with this one screw right here in the front. It can be used with multiple encoders, which are found here, like I said, the silverish box on top of the drive. For whatever application or setting you need to use the drive in. These drives can be powered on using 24 VDC, turning on the internal bus amperage for the fan, boards, and option card components. I can do that now and show you. If you would like more information concerning this DKC drive in front of me or any other DKC drive within the DKC drive family, please contact us via phone or email, which can be found below in the description. Thank you.